Which bird is the national bird of the United States? A. Peacock. B. Bald eagle. C. Penguin. D. Flamingo. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Bald eagle. Did you know? Bald eagles can see about 4 times better than humans. Next question. Which bird is the only one that can fly backward? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Crow. D. Robin. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Hummingbird. Did you know? A hummingbird can flap its wings up to 80 times per second. Next question. Which bird cannot fly but is an excellent swimmer? A. Duck. B. Penguin. C. Swan. D. Seagull. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Penguin. Did you know? Penguins can stay underwater for over 20 minutes. Next question. Which is the largest living bird in the world? A. Eagle. B. Ostrich. C. Peacock. D. Turkey. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Ostrich. Did you know? Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Next question. Which bird is famous for copying human speech? A. Owl. B. Parrot. C. Crow. D. Pigeon. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Parrot. Did you know? Some parrots can learn over 100 words. Next question. Which bird is known for its colorful tail feathers? A. Peacock. B. Falcon. C. Goose. D. Eagle. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Peacock. Did you know? Only male peacocks grow the giant colorful tail. Next question. Which bird can turn its head about 270 degrees? A. Crow. B. Owl. C. Duck. D. Eagle. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Owl. Did you know? Owls have fixed eyes, so they turn their heads instead. Next question. Which bird is the fastest animal during a dive? A. Eagle. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Hawk. D. Swan. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Peregrine falcon. Did you know? It can dive at over 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour. Next question. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? A. Dove. B. Crow. C. Duck. D. Pelican. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Dove. Did you know? White doves have symbolized peace for centuries. Next question. Which bird builds the largest nest? A. Sparrow. B. Eagle. C. Robin. D. Woodpecker. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Eagle. Did you know? Some eagle nests weigh over 1 ton. Next question. Which bird lays the largest eggs? A. Swan. B. Ostrich. C. Goose. D. Turkey. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Ostrich. Did you know? 1 ostrich egg equals about 24 chicken eggs. Next question. Which bird is famous for knocking on trees? A. Woodpecker. B. Falcon. C. Crow. D. Owl. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Woodpecker. Did you know? Woodpeckers peck up to 20 times every second. Next question. Which bird is best known for delivering babies in old stories? A. Stork. B. Duck. C. Eagle. D. Swan. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Stork. Did you know? The stork and baby story is a famous European legend. Next question. Which bird is known for its beautiful pink feathers? A. Flamingo. B. Penguin. C. Crow. D. Eagle. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Flamingo. Did you know? Flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat. Next question. Which bird is famous for its loud laughing call? A. Seagull. B. Kookaburra. C. Robin. D. Sparrow. You have 5 seconds. Correct answer. Kookaburra. Did you know? Its call sounds so much like laughter that it's called the laughing bird. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun quizzes.